In this video, we'll show you how to set up a OneBlock Minecraft server. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you've seen those OneBlock Minecraft videos where you start on a single block that keeps regenerating and dropping different items every time you break it, you can set up this manually, but honestly, that's a lot of work, especially if you just want to play. So for this video, we're gonna do everything using Apex hosting. So with that being said, shout out to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. Apex Hosting makes everything really easy because they handle all the annoying stuff for you. Things like port forwarding, firewall rules, and server setup are already done. Their servers are fast and stable, which is important if you want to play Minecraft with your friends. They also have 24/7 customer support, so if something breaks or you get stuck, you can get help right away. You can click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get started. Once you're here, just get your server. Once your server is created and you're inside the Apex panel, you're ready to move on. The first thing we need to do before changing anything on the server is to stop the server first. If you don't do this, you might break your server files. So just click stop here, and then you want to scroll down and look for the game file section. Click on the drop down and you can select your Minecraft version. Now to download OneBlock World, you can go to cursefrush.com, and once you're here, just click on Minecraft to go to its page, and then on the search bar, just type in OneBlock. Press enter. We're gonna set up a OneBlock World, not a mod or plugins. So this one looks good, it's up to date. I can click on it to go to the page and then go to the files tab. Here you're gonna select the correct game version you've selected. So for me, it's gonna be 121.11. I can click the three dots on the right and hit download file. You can save this anywhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So just hit save and the download will start. Make sure you click stop before you make any changes. Now just hover to the left and click on FTP file access. Type in your control panel password and hit login, and you'll see your server files. Now to upload OneBlock World, you can just drag and drop it to the main server folder, which is default in this case, like this. So there's one, right click on it, extract here, wait a bit, and now I have this OneBlock World folder. So if you expand this, you should see folders like data, entities, POI, region, and also label that. Now here you can change the name of this world. So you can right click on it, hit rename, and then just type in whatever you want. You can select all of it, right click, and hit copy. Now you can click OK, and then go back to the main panel. And the main panel, scroll down and look for world section. Here click on change world, and then rename this. Just right click and hit paste. Hit change world, restart now, and there we go, you're ready to go. Now I'm inside the game, I can go to multiplayer and then hit add server, type in the server name, and then for the server address, you can type in the server's IP or subdomain. And there we go, you should spawn in a OneBlock World. If you want to invite your friends, just tell them your server's IP and join the server like usual. And that's it.